Good evening. This is Paula Ward, aka Tutu Fit Mom, and I'm checking in. My day is finally over. For most of you guys in the Northeast, we are attempting to survive. I don't even know what they're calling it, a blizzard bomb. Basically, thank you media for freaking out everybody. So I woke up today, and for me, preparing for the blizzard is we're unwell. I need water. I need to make sure I've got ice melt because if not, I will kill myself outside. I had no groceries. I've worked the last couple days, so I was that crazy person at the mall with luckily Moira helped me. And I will say to you, shame on you people for driving around like crazy people, beeping and swearing and yelling at everybody. Let's see what else. I've got snacks. I've unfortunately got kids home. I've got a Momo. And finally, I'm now getting my workout. And yes, it's 11 o'clock. A good thing about not having to go to the gym is I can work out now. So, those are my surviving blizzard tips. Enjoy your family. Get some shovel exercise in. And just relax, people. We've experienced snow before. And unfortunately, the news likes to really get everybody going. And really, people were just out of their minds today. It was horrible to see. But this is a good night for me. Stay safe, stay warm, and I'll check in tomorrow. Have a good day. This is Paula Ward. Hope this helps you live your best life. Good night.